Hey guys, I just wanted to give a quick update on the state projects that you're working on this week in case anyone had any questions. So this week looks different from our normal weeks. You won't be working on a chapter. Instead, each of you are to select a state. And as you saw, you need to go into the wiki and identify which state you're going to be working on. Everyone has to pick a different state and no one can select Idaho. So once you've decided which state you choose, you are going to spend your time this week researching that state's corrections department. All the information that you need can be found at the corrections webpage for that state. You likely will find a section that maybe has reports or statistics, and you'll be able to identify the information that you need. You're going to put together a 10-slide PowerPoint presentation, or you're welcome to use a Prezi if you prefer that. The first slide will need to be a title slide, and your last slide will need to be a works cited or reference. Again, the state corrections department website can be the only reference that you use. That is fine. Within your presentation, though, you are going to talk about what that state's corrections department looks like, and that will include information such as how many prisons are there in that state, what different levels of classification do they have, how many inmates are there, what do their felony probation and parole services look like, does the state have a death penalty. Again, we're focusing on the state felony system, so you don't need to include information about jails or misdemeanors. You don't need to include information about juvenile services in that state. So think about what maybe is unique about that state. Lots of states have interesting programs that are kind of unique to them, so you might want to identify those and talk about those as well. You are going to take all this information, put it into a PowerPoint, and then next week we'll be presenting those in class. We'll be posting them on the discussion board and spending some time reviewing each other's projects and seeing what we can learn about all the different states. Eventually, we will be looking at how maybe some of these states compare to Idaho in terms of their corrections department. So hopefully that just brief little update is helpful. I've posted a kind of Q&A thing in the discussion board. If you have questions, maybe shoot them there and I would be happy to answer them. Do that rather than email, just in case your classmates have the same question, then I can answer it for everyone to see. If you haven't yet, remember you were supposed to have already identified the state that you're going to be working on. So if you haven't yet, make sure you do that today. And then your presentations will be posted next Monday by noon. Okay, I'm looking forward to seeing you guys' work. Thanks. Bye.